Good morning, dear kids. Today I am taking you exercise 11.2 constructions. In that, your first problem is construct a triangle ABC in which BC is given as 7, angle B is given as 75, and there's a new term AB plus AC is given as together 13. Okay, so now you have to start with taking BC as 7. At point B, you have to construct 75 degree. My dear kids, I have made you understand how to construct 75 degree. So you have to first make an arc with the same measurement, make 60 degree. This is 120 and the bisector of this will be 90. Now my dear kids, where you have 60 and 90, uska bisector आप ले लेंगे. So that will be 15, 15. So 60 plus 15 will be 75 degree. Those who do not know how to make 75 degree, please check my previous video. You will get it from there. So once you got 75 degree here, what you have to do next is, it is given that AB plus AC together it is 13 centimeter. So my dear kids, थोड़ा सा मैं इसको erase करके यहाँ पे C लिख लेती हूँ. Okay, AB plus AC together 13 centimeter. So at point B only you have to measure 13 centimeter in your compass, and at point B make an arc of 13 centimeter. Got my point clear? 13 centimeter जो कि एडिशन है AB और AC का, उसका आर्क आपको बनाना है पॉइंट B से लेना है. Okay, got my point clear? Name it as D if you want. Now join DC. Once you join DC, this is not the required triangle, my dear kids. Now you have to make a perpendicular bisector of BD. Do you know how to make a perpendicular bisector, kids? एक सेगमेंट का perpendicular bisector आपको कंपास में more than half लेना है. Make an arc here, make an arc here. Keep your compass point here with the same measurement. Make an arc here and here. When you join this, this will be called as perpendicular bisector. So similarly of BD, you have to make a perpendicular bisector. So this is the perpendicular bisector of BD. Wherever it cuts BD, I'll name it as A. Now join, my dear kids, AC. So now you can say that ABC is your required triangle. If you want to recheck or verify your answer, you can measure AB and add with the measurement of AC. You should get AB plus AC as 13. Is that clear, kids? In our next problem we have, construct a triangle ABC. BC is 8. So I'll take BC as 8. In that you have angle B as 45. So angle B आपको बनाना है 45. Those who do not know how to make 45, for them this is 90 degree and the bisector of 90 degree is 45. If you still do not know, you can watch my previous video. So this is 45. Once you got 45, now the next point is AB minus AC is 3.5. AB minus AC 3.5 hai. Now you have to take 3.5 on your compass, put it on B and make an arc. You can name this as D. Yes, my dear kids, did you get the concept clear? You can name this as D. Join DC. No, my dear kids, this is not the required triangle. Join DC. And now you have to take perpendicular bisector of DC. you have to take perpendicular bisector of DC. ये perpendicular, it doesn't seems to be 90, but you have to make it. Perpendicular bisector of DC. Extend your BD and the perpendicular bisector also, and wherever they intersect, put that point as A. Now join AC. Now my dear kids, your BAC is triangle, which is required triangle as per your problem. If you want to verify your answer, you can check the measurement of AB, check the measurement of AC, and when you subtract, you will get 3.5 centimeter. Clear? Next you have construct the triangle PQR in which QR is 6. Okay, QR is 6, Q is 60 and PR minus PQ is 2. Okay, let's see. You have to first draw QR. QR we will measure it as 6. Then you have to draw angle Q 60. Now you have to measure 2 centimeter in your compass. Now if you notice PR minus PQ, you have PR minus PQ. My dear kids, you have to understand that here PR minus PQ is given. That means if I draw rough triangles PQR, ये आपको PR minus PQ दिया हुआ है. In your previous triangle it was this minus this. So in this case you have PR minus PQ. So your angle here, which 2 centimeter which you are taking, you have to mark it on Q. You have to extend it. If I name this as X, you have to extend XQ down. 2 you have to mark it here, down. Got my point clear? Q, from Q you have to make an arc down. You can name it as D. Join DR, my dear kids. Now draw perpendicular bisector of DR. DR का perpendicular bisector. And wherever it intersects on your upper part on QX, you can name it as P. Now join PR, and my dear kids, PQR will be your required triangle. The only difference was, previous problem में जो हम लोग को difference दिया हुआ था, हम लोग ऊपर की आर्क पे मार्क करते थे. Here you have to take it down. Why down? Because here in your triangle this side minus this side is given to you. Previously it was first side minus second side. Now it is second side minus first side. So that will make a difference. Got my point clear? In your next problem you have construct a triangle where angle Y is given as 30, Z is 90, and this time you have x plus y, xy plus yz plus zx as 11. अब क्या करेंगे? जो आपको तीनों का एडिशन दिया हुआ है 11, वो आपको बेस ले लेना है. सो 11 सेंटीमीटर विल बी माई बेस. क्लियर? नाउ यू हैव टू ड्रॉ, once you got your base, you have to draw 30 degree from this point. You can name this as AB. From this point you have to make 30 degree. And from this point you have to make 90 degree as per given in the problem. Now bisect this angle. If you want to name it, you can name it as L here. You can name it as M here. Now you have to bisect LAB. You know very well how to bisect. You have to make an arc. Put a compass on A. Make an arc here, here, and the same measurement, make an arc here. Make the bisector of MBA also. Where they intersect, you can name this as X. Now in this, my dear kids, you have to take perpendicular bisector of XA and XB. And wherever they intersect at your base, you have to name that point as Y and Z. Now join XYZ, and my dear kids, your required triangle will be ready. XYZ. Is that clear? Now if you want to verify your answer, you can measure your XY, YZ, XZ, and the addition of all three will be 11 centimeter. Next, you have to construct a right angle triangle whose base is 12 centimeter. So first draw a base 12 centimeter, BC. And the hypotenuse, sum of hypotenuse and other side is 18. So sum of two sides is given to you. So if I have a triangle like this, you can take AB plus AC is given to you as 18. It's a right angle triangle, so at point B, you have to make 90 degree. At point B, you have to make an arc of 18 centimeter. Cut it and you can name it as D. Join DC. Make the perpendicular bisector of DC. And wherever it cuts DC, you can name it as A. Now join ABC. I'm so sorry. Wherever it cuts your DB, you can name it as A. I'm so sorry. This is wrong. And now you can join ABC. And ABC will be your required triangle.